How to convert XML to XLSX or Excel format. There are several methods you can try, such as using an online tool, Excel, or a Python script. Let's start with the first method, using an online tool. First, open Google and search for Online XML to XLSX tool, then press Enter. Choose any website you prefer from the search results. Once the site is open, import your XML file by clicking on Browse. Locate and select your XML file. Then click Open. After the file is uploaded, click the Convert button. Once the conversion is complete, click Download. Choose the destination folder where you want to save the file. Then click Save. Now, open the folder where the file was downloaded and open it to check the data. And that's it. Let's also try the second method using Excel. First, open Excel. Click on File in the top left corner. Then choose Computer and click the Browse button. Now, locate and select the XML file you want to convert. Then click Open. A window will appear. Ensure as an XML table is selected. Then click OK. Another prompt may appear. Simply click OK again. And that's it. Now, let's move on to the third method using Python. First, you need to install the required Python libraries. To do this, open the command prompt cmd. Press Windows + R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type cmd and press Enter. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command and hit Enter. Pip install pandas open pyxl. And hit Enter. The necessary Python libraries will now be installed. Now, let's take a look at the XML file we want to convert. Open it to review the data. Next, this is the Python script you'll use. You can find it in the description. You'll need to save it in the correct format for Python. Click on File at the top, then select Save As. Name the file convert.py. And under Save As type, choose All Files. Now, click on Save button. The Python script file is now created. Also, make sure your XML file is placed in the same folder as the Python script. Now, click on the address bar at the top of the folder window. Type cmd and press Enter. This will open the command prompt in the same directory. In the cmd window, type python convert.py, where convert.py is the name of your Python file, and press Enter. You'll be prompted to enter the name of your XML file. Ours is sample.xml. Then hit Enter. Next, you'll be asked to name the output file. The default is output.xlsx, but let's rename it to converted.xlsx and press Enter. The file has now been successfully converted. Open it to check the data. And that's it. These methods work, but each comes with limitations. Excel may cause formatting issues or lose XML elements due to limited mapping capabilities, and large files might crash during import. Online tools carry serious risks like data leaks and formatting problems, making them unsafe for sensitive data. Python requires programming knowledge, which can be challenging for non-technical users. For a more reliable and user-friendly solution, a dedicated XML to XLSX converter is the better choice. For that, you can use offline tools like SysTools XML Converter. It's fast, reliable, and keeps your data safe by processing everything locally, no internet or file upload needed. You can find the download link in the description. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools XML Converter software. On the top left, the first option is Add File, which allows you to import one or multiple XML files. To the right, the second option is Add Folder, which lets you import folders containing XML files. Useful for handling large datasets. In this example, we'll use the Add File option, though users can choose Add Folder if needed. Click on Add File, then browse and select the XML files you want to convert. After selection, click the Open button to import them. On the left side, you'll see a list showing the XML file names and their paths. On the right, you can view the file sizes. After importing, two more options appear. Let's explore them. First, select a file from the list. At the top, you'll find the Remove button. Clicking this will delete the selected file. Next to it is the Remove All button, which removes all imported XML files, allowing you to import new ones. Now, let's proceed. Click the Next button at the bottom to continue. The SysTools XML Converter software allows you to convert XML files into multiple formats, including SQL script, CSV, DBF, JSON, HTML, doc, PDF, XLSX, TXT, ACCDB, and MDB. For this tutorial, we'll choose the XLSX format. Below that, you'll find the Select Destination Path option, where you can choose the folder to save the converted files. By default, the files will be saved to the desktop, but you can change this by clicking the Change Folder button on the right. Once everything is configured, it's time to convert the files. Click the Export button at the bottom to begin the process. Once the processing is complete, a pop-up window will appear confirming that the export was successful. Click OK to close it. Next, click the View Report button at the bottom. This will open the folder where the converted files are saved. Now, open the folder and check your exported XML file. And that's how you can convert XML to XLSX or Excel format using these methods.